My name is Violet.
My name is Tessa.
And my name is Will. It's a beautiful fall day, so we decided to make vegetable soup.
With all the ingredients in front of us.
We're going to start with 6 cups of water. Adding 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes. Chicken bouillon. That's what makes it tasty. Add 4 cups of diced potatoes.
And wait 10 minutes before we add the rest of the vegetables.
We are now going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Woo.
We are going to add sauteed onions and orange pepper. I'm getting it nice and low so you don't make it splash.
The potatoes been boiling for 20 minutes. We're gonna add broccoli and cauliflower.
And carrots and celery. Now we are going to add them because we want them al dente. Whoa. Just floating on top and slowly sink. Very full. Wow, that has a lot of flavor. But we still have to add the coconut milk and the dill.
Add the coconut milk, and at the very end, we're gonna add dill. Yeah.
That's what makes it nice.
Add the dill and let the soup boil another 10 minutes.
Oh, it looks yummy already. For a special kick, you can add Thai red curry paste.
Here, we're ready to taste.
This is the best soup.
Vegetable soup is the easiest soup to make.